mi raza? We back at it with another video, back to back. You already know, not really, but almost. On this video, we're gonna be getting ready for a show that they're having here in Dodge City, Kansas next weekend. So right now, I'm about to get my rims polished. I'm gonna try to do them myself. My homie Daniel, he's got all the equipment. He's got everything you need to do anything you need. So after that, I'm gonna go pick up some mirrors, some electric mirrors for this truck. For the turn signals, they're electric, and they also comes color matched. It's actually the same color. That's why I went ahead and got them for a very good price. Marketplace, you know, Facebook Market always got the best prices. But yeah, we're about to get that shit done. Right now I'm gonna give the rims a little rinse because they're hella dirty. They've been needing this polish for a very long time, but I've been slacking. But today we're gonna get it done. This is the before. They're hella dirty. Just giving them a little rinse right now. Fucking dirty though. And it's not even dirt, it just needs a nice polish, bro. Alright, y'all, I rinsed them down. As you can see, they don't turn back to chrome. Them bitches need a fucking polish. So yeah, we're about to leave these hella chrome. This is the before. These are the mirrors I'm talking about, the ones I'm gonna go pick up. They're color matched already, and they're also electric. What that means, it has the turn signals right here. These don't have the turn signals and they're cracked, so these gotta go. Alright, we got everything we need right here. There's 3 steps. That's the first step, second step, and third step. But yeah, we're about to get hella dirty, so let's get it. Alright, yeah, I got the first rim done. It's not perfect, but it's way better than what it was. But yeah, they're coming out good. If I want to get them any better than that, I'll probably just take them to a professional. But for now, that will do. We just picked up the mirrors. As you can see, we got the turn signal right here. And they came color matched. So that's perfect. Right now, I'm about to slap them hose on. It's not a big upgrade, but little things make a difference. It's gonna come a long way. Damn, bro, I swear it's like I take 1 step forward, 2 steps backwards, bro. Damn, bro, that's bad. Ya me agüité, la neta. Estoy bien agüitado. Poor truck. I'm sorry, baby. Estoy bien agüitado, but can't do nothing about it. We can't go back to the past, so fuck it. So we got with the insurance and we went to the painter. It's gonna cost $8,000 just to fix my bumper, my fender, and paint it, color match it perfectly, exactly how it is. And now that we're at it, we're gonna go ahead and paint the fender moldings, and we have a little bit of chipping on my door handles. So I'm gonna pay out of my pocket to fix that now that it's already there. It hasn't even been 2 months, bro, since I had it, and they already crashed it. But fuck it, there's nothing we can do. At least it's not coming out of my pocket. All we gotta do is wait, which sucks, man, because I like driving this truck. It's my daily. It's a perfect daily. I mean, I could still drive it right now, but it makes me upset that it just has a fucking big old fucking dent in the fucking right in the fucking front, bro. Man, it's alright though. We're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna get everything situated. Alright, that's the old look. Right now we're gonna put those on. Just 3 bolts. And then we're gonna try to wire them because those are electrical. These are not electrical. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so you just take off this plastic and you remove this foam piece right here. And then you got 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And your electrical will run through here. But as you can see, this one's not electric, so it don't have anything. Alright, so you just take out those 10 millimeters, those 3 10 millimeters. It'll come straight out. So that's out with the old. This shit is fucking cracked, ugly. And let's go ahead and put the new. Look at the difference. It's gonna make a big difference. Not really, but at least we're getting it done. Alright, y'all, that's way better. Finished up both sides. Now I'm gonna just leave the electrical to a professional, because it seems to be that every time I touch this truck myself, something else fucks up. So I'll just do the simple shit. Leave the electricity to the professionals. Check it out though, that shit looks nicer. It made a big difference, honestly, to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get her washed so we can hit up that show. Alright, we're here with Heido. Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Stop playing on top, bro. Who's on top?
Hey, follow my Instagram.